For my critical assignment this semester, I've been working on athletic training, and I want to be an athletic trainer to help prevent and treat injuries. I love sports, and I want to work with athletes who also want to prevent injuries so that they can compete at a high level. The education requirements for athletic training currently is a bachelor's degree. 2025 is the last year that those with a bachelor's degree will be able to take the board of athletic training test. Most states also require additional license or certification. And for the top jobs in the field, a master's degree is required in athletic training from a accredited program. Some of the additional benefits to getting a bachelor or a master's degree are that it makes you eligible to teach at the college level. There's also potential advantages to being able to be a administrator, and also a master's degree is shorter than having to get a doctorate in something like physical therapy. Some of the barriers to enter into the athletic training as a career is that you'll start with a low salary. And a solution for that is to gain experience through volunteer work. Also, you can get advanced degrees, which will increase your salary. Another barrier is the cost of the programs themselves, including cost of living. Most programs cost $70,000 or more. A solution for that is that I plan on moving to a rural area, and within rural areas there's often debt forgiveness programs if you become a teacher or work in healthcare. Also, there are grants and scholarship opportunities that will help with school. The current trends in athletic training are that it's transitioning to being only a master's degree program. It's also a growing field. The National Labor and Statistics predicts that it'll grow from 2026 or from 2016 to 2026. It will increase by 26%. And the median wage in athletic training is $46,630. However, when you factor in the cost of living for California, the wages are higher. Some of the current qualifications that I have are I'm a certified massage therapist through the California Massage Therapy Council. I'm also first aid certified through American Red Cross. I'm working on my bachelor's degree in kinesiology, and I'm set to graduate in 2020. And I also have a goal of entering a master's degree program in athletic training. The reason why I want to become an athletic training is I already have experience working as a physical therapy aide and a massage therapist within a wellness center. And I have communicated and worked with healthcare professionals to develop treatment plans for patients and to provide quality patient care. I know that working in healthcare is a grind, and I've been doing it for 10 years, and I still enjoy the job, and it doesn't feel like work to me. It's a happy place for me. And one of the concepts that I learned in this class and that I've applied working in a physical therapy office is biomechanics. Using proper body mechanics in lifting can be so beneficial. I know that a proper understanding of biomechanics can save companies a lot of money. I've treated a lot of people that have workplace injuries, and being able to go into a workplace and educate employees on how to use proper body mechanics will be very beneficial. And I believe that athletic training will increase my ability to educate people in that field. Some of the areas that I can improve is that I'm planning to get a bachelor or a master's degree in athletic training. I also want to get experience. I'm a massage therapist now, and I want to volunteer at the Olympics with the USOC and be able to treat and help our athletes at the Olympics. And also I can join organizations like the National Athletic Trainers Association, the American College of Sports Medicine, and the National Strength and Conditioning Administration. So this is my reference pages, and you can go and look through all my references. Thank you so much for the time, and I've really enjoyed this class.